everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining in. So today I have Stylevana haul to share with you all. So this was the first time I ordered from Stylevana website, and to be very honest, I was very skeptical before ordering these products because I have seen mixed reviews about this website. The shipping takes a lot of time. Sometimes the product has not arrived. I just crossed my fingers and ordered, and I was just hoping that I receive my products. But guess what? I received my package today and it arrived. So I'm super happy. I'm not done my skincare till now, and mostly I've ordered skincare from Stylevana. So we will see how the product works on my skin. And right now, if you see, my skin is not doing good at all. There are a lot of breakouts and acne. So I have ordered all the hydrating products. So let's talk about my shopping experience, what all product I got, and the first impressions, and what is my opinion after applying it for the first time. First, let's talk about my ordering experience. So I ordered these products from this Stylevana website. I want to give you one tip here where you're thinking of ordering from Stylevana. Always check their Instagram profile because there are always some discount coupons which is available there, and you can apply those in your cart and grab those discount which you can get it from their Instagram profile. I've also seen a lot of other websites which sells Korean skincare, but the prices which Stylevana was offering was very good. Above that, you get discounts as well. So I think I got a good deal. I received all my product within 10 days and I received my package in good condition. So let's unbox this package. It's covered in a bubble wrap. As you can see, everything is packed very carefully. Let's see. So this is all what I got. Okay, so now let's get into the product side. So the first thing which I ordered is this rice toner. Toner is supposed to be hydrating, brightening and soothing, which is exactly what my skin needs right now. So let's try and see if it helps with my skin texture and dullness. It's a sleeve bottle and the packaging looks good. Now let's see what is the tremendous consistency. It's so material texture. It's like water. There's no smell, and this is what it gives to your skin. Very good. I think it will give proper hydration to your skin. Let's apply on my face. Taking generous amount. Oh, this was so runny. Pressing it inside so that all the products is penetrated in your skin. This is what it looks after one layer of applying, and see, my skin feels hydrated. It has given me good hydration, and I'm just feeling to apply second layer as well. So let's apply second layer of this toner because I think in first layer I dropped a little. So let's apply. My neck as well, super hydrated. It's not at all sticky, and if you can see the hydration on my skin. So the next product is this Mixun Bean Essence Rimmon Viral product, which is the same used from Cosrx. This is the product. I have used this, and if you see, it is this much left, and this is the vegan version of this Mucin. I've tried that cream Mucin. I feel like that has not done a lot for my skin, but at the same time it has given me that hydration, but it has not converted my skin into a glass skin or something like that. But yeah, it gives me hydration when I apply that product. I was ordering this Bean Essence, then I got a discount coupon from Instagram and I applied that discount coupon, but then I received it as a freebie. Let's open the Bean Essence. I am so bad at opening the pack. This is what you receive. This is the 50 ml bottle. This is what you receive. Let's try this Mixun Bean Essence. Oh, wow. The texture is exactly like a snail mucin. Let's see how much hydration it gives to your skin. Let's try it on my face. Oh, I think let's take 3 pounds. Till now, my skin feels good. It's glowy, it's hydrated. So I'm just hoping that it does not break me out. Whenever I try any new product, the main concern for me is that it does not break me out because my skin is super sensitive, and in this winter, it is super dry as well. Generally, my skin is a combination skin, but this winter, my skin is super dry. That's why all these breakouts, as you can see on my skin. So I'm just hoping this does not break out, but I'll see that tomorrow. I've applied it, and right now, the first impression is pretty good. My skin feels soft. But the next product which I ordered is this Mixun Bean Cream. I wanted to layer products for maximum hydration and healing. So let's see how it works. Let's open the Bean Cream. Okay, let's try this. Making a generous amount. I can feel some fragrance, but there is no fragrance, I guess. It's the plus point. If you see, this is my natural skin right now looking at this. This is with a natural light, and this is what it is. And I'm really very happy how it gave me that glowy skin. My skin is not looking very dry. It has given me proper hydration. And the most important thing in skincare, which I feel, is that you give time in between all the skincare products just to penetrate in your skin. Just not applying all the skincare back to back. Fourth one which I got, that is this Beauty of Joseon sunscreen. Again, this is also a very high product, but previously as well, I have used a sunscreen from Korean Skincare, and that was really good sunscreen. I really like that product, so I just wanted to try another sunscreen. So this time I have gone for Beauty of Joseon. You get it in tube, so that's open. Let's try the viral Beauty of Joseon sunscreen. And I'm just hoping it does not break me out, because right now my skin is not in that great position to have more breakouts. So I'm just hoping that this works. Let's see. The first impression, it's like a cream consistency only. To try on face and see how this works. I just take much, very liquidy, and it's very easy to apply first of all, and I don't see any white cast, which is so cold using. Wow. Let me apply my lip gloss. This is how my skin looks after applying all the 4 products which I've got. I'm not feeling anything heavy on my skin, and it's super lightweight. The best part which I feel is that it gives proper hydration to your skin. How much it will work on my skin, that I can't say it right now, because I'm buying these products for the first time. The next product which I got is these 2 sheet masks, and both are from Medicube. One is their Kojic Acid Turmeric Brightening Gel Mask, and the next one is a PDRN Pink Collagen Gel Mask. Right now their PDRN line is going super viral. There are a lot of products in their PDRN line. I think they have recently launched their capsule as well, the one which have with Vita C. I'm not gonna use it right now. I will use it in some other video. Have you guys ever ordered from Stylevana? Let me know your experience in the comment section. And if you have ever tried any of these products, I would love to hear your thoughts. And at the end, if you guys like this video, then do give this a video thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.